In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the last number from a long number in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to do this. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the long numbers are placed in cells A1 through A4. Having your data organized first makes the formula much easier to apply and check. Now we'll set up a simple label for the result. Click on cell B1 and type last number. This creates a clear header so you can easily see what the values in column B represent. Next, click on cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that extracts the final digit from the number in A2. Type an equals sign, then the word right, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, type A2, then a comma, then 1, and finally a closing parenthesis. The complete formula should read as right open parenthesis A2, comma 1 close parenthesis with the equal sign at the beginning. What this formula does is tell Excel to return the rightmost character from the value in cell A2. Since we used 1 at the end of the formula, Excel knows to pull just one character, which in this case is the last digit. If your number is in a different cell, you can simply replace A2 with that cell reference. That makes this formula very flexible and easy to reuse anywhere in your worksheet. Once you've entered the formula, press enter. Excel will display the result in B2. For example, if the value in A2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the result returned will be 5. That confirms Excel has successfully extracted the last number from the longer value. After that, you can copy the formula to the rest of your rows so you don't have to type it again manually. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down to B4. Excel will automatically copy the formula downward and adjust the cell references for each row. That means each number in column A will return its own last digit in column B, which saves time and reduces the chance of mistakes. And that's it. You now know a quick and reliable way to get the last number from a long number in Excel using the right formula.